If you've ever opened your fridge and found vegetables going bad way too fast or freezer food covered in ice crystals, you already know how frustrating food waste can be. It's not just annoying, it's expensive and it adds up quickly over time. So today, we're taking a close look at the Beelicious Pro 95 kilopascals vacuum sealer machine, a fully automatic food sealer designed to extend freshness, reduce waste, and make meal prep a lot more organized. This is aimed at home cooks, meal preppers, and families who want to store food smarter without adding complexity to their routine. But does it actually make a difference, or is it just another kitchen gadget? Right out of the box, the design feels more premium than you might expect at this level. The stainless steel finish gives it a clean, modern look that fits well in most kitchens, and it doesn't feel flimsy when you handle it. What really stands out is how thoughtfully everything is built in. There's a dedicated space to store bag rolls, a built-in cutter, and even storage for accessories like the hose. It's clearly designed to keep everything in one place, which makes a big difference if you plan to use it regularly. The overall layout is intuitive. The control panel is straightforward with clearly labeled modes, and the handle locks down securely without requiring too much force. There's also a small display that shows the sealing progress, which sounds like a minor feature, but actually helps you feel more in control of the process. It doesn't feel overwhelming, even if you've never used a vacuum sealer before. When it comes to performance, this is where the Beelicious Pro really tries to stand out. The suction power is strong, and in real-world use, it creates a tight seal in just a few seconds. Whether you're sealing dry foods like grains or moist items like marinated meat, it adapts pretty well. The option to switch between dry and moist modes is especially useful because it prevents liquids from interfering with the seal, which is a common issue with simple machines. The double sealing feature is another highlight. Instead of relying on a single heat strip, it reinforces the seal, which helps keep air out for longer periods. In everyday use, that translates to food staying fresher in the fridge and freezer without that dreaded freezer burn. If you're someone who buys in bulk or meal preps for the week, this becomes noticeably helpful. One thing that surprised me is how quickly it fits into a daily routine. You can prep ingredients, seal them, and store them in a matter of minutes. It's especially useful for things like leftovers, portion control, or even marinating food faster. The machine also runs relatively quietly, so it's not disruptive when you're using it in a normal kitchen setting. Cleaning and maintenance are fairly straightforward. The removable drip tray helps catch any excess moisture, and it's easy to take out and rinse. The rest of the machine just needs a quick wipe down. It's not completely hands-off, but it's simple enough that you won't avoid using it because of cleanup. That said, there are a few trade-offs. While the machine offers a lot of features, it can feel like a bit much if you're only planning to use it occasionally. The size is also something to consider. It's not huge, but it does take up more space than basic sealers. And while the app integration is an interesting addition, not everyone will find it essential for their workflow. Compared to other vacuum sealers in this price range, the Beelicious Pro stands out for its combination of power and convenience. Many cheaper models lack consistent suction or struggle with moist foods, while higher-end options can be significantly more expensive. This one sits in a sweet spot where it offers strong performance and useful features without going overboard on price. So who is this really for? If you regularly cook at home, buy groceries in bulk, or want to reduce food waste, this makes a lot of sense. It's also great for meal prepping or keeping your freezer organized. But if you only need to seal food occasionally, a simpler model might be enough. At the end of the day, the Beelicious Pro vacuum sealer isn't about adding complexity. It's about making your kitchen more efficient. It helps you save food, save money, and stay organized, which is something most people can benefit from. If you want to check it out or see the latest price, I've left a link in the description below. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.